Hello dear customer, this is Ivan from QLQ company. Today I would like to share with you our improved semi-automatic non-lock slider assembly machine. As you can see, this is the whole view of this machine. The size of this machine is 1.2 meters length, 0.9 meters width, and 1.1 meters height. And the structure of this machine is very simple. Just have the one vibrating disc for slider body, and this channel for chessboard the slider body, and the paint for puller. We put the puller on the slider body and assembly the slider successfully. And also we have another plate for hold a different fancy puller. And now I want to introduce the one thing is that what we improve. The biggest improvement for this new machine is that this channel.
Comparing with the traditional model, we improve the channel of this machine. In our old machine, only if the channel vibrates, the slider can slide down. But in our new machine, even if the channel does not vibrate, the slider can easily slide down from the check to main plane.
Slider in this channel, this color cannot be easily scratched. So you can use this machine for raw color and the painting color. It is very safe for your slider. The output of this machine is about 80 pieces to 100 pieces per minute. And also, of course, it depends on your workers. If your workers are very familiar of this machine, so the output will be high. And also, this machine can use for different fancy puller because our workers will hand the puller in the slider body by hand. So in this way, we can use for different fancy puller to use this machine for different size. For example, number 3, number 5, number 7. Then we can use this machine. We just need to change some parts of this machine. Okay, my friends, so this is a brief introduction of this machine. If you want to save your cost and if you want to, this machine can be used for different fancy puller, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.